Now featuring the most annoying sound and the road. Starting, yeah. And that's it. Okay, that's my video. I make short videos for a showcase because I don't really know. I just do this for fun because I can make different voices. Okay? Bye. Oh yeah, my cousin's right here too.